Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today we'll be checking out this Odyssey View. So it's like basically like a projector. This is what it looks like. It projects high definition stars on a ceiling or a wall. Basically you can create like a home planetarium, adjustable rotation and brightness, and you can also focus on the clarity by turning the dial. So there's a few capabilities. It says, all truths are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover them. Galileo. I love that this branding is super on point in terms of like, you know, the whole space theme, you know, the matte, really like chic. Okay, here's the instructions. Ooh, cool. Oh, I didn't realize that it'll be pink. Oh, this is super cute. This is the front over here. You can see the projector right there. I'm surprised that it's pink. I guess it does come in like different colors. This might be like, you know, what it projects. The Earth and the Moon projector. To plug it in, also comes with a remote controller, as well as a 3D dinosaur and the Northern Hemisphere, and then the plug. It's a laser, so you gotta be careful not to like aim it at you. This product is classified as a class 2 laser product, so don't stare at the beams being emitted from this. This product is designed to be used only in a dark room with a low light environment. It has to be in a dark room, facing towards a ceiling or a wall that has at least like a 9 by 9 foot flat surface. This way you can see the entire projection, and the projector should be placed about 5 to 8 feet from a ceiling or a wall. Step 1 is remove the disc tray from the projector. Ooh, this is fun. So this will be basically on the ground, and then you can rotate this to point the lasers where you want. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. Here's the disc tray, oh my goodness. So literally just pull the disc tray. You'll see that it comes like this, kind of like a really classic old projector, like back in the 90s. We're gonna go ahead and look at this underwater creature theme. So let's open this up. This is what it looks like. Align and press the disc to the disc tray. Turn the disc front facing up. You'll know that you got it right if it doesn't fit like this, or if it slides right in. Turn the disc counterclockwise to fix the disc. And then over here you can turn the disc. Hold the gear wheel on the disc tray with a finger when you turn the disc. Literally you just lock it in place like that, and then that way it won't fall. We're gonna go ahead and insert this back into here with this facing the projector. Step 3, connect Odyssey X to a USB cable and USB adapter. This is the USB cable. Connect it with the adapter. We're going to plug this into the side over here. And then we're going to go ahead and plug this in. We want to go ahead and press the power button, which is over here on this side. Oh, you have to press the power button. The LED projection and lasers will gradually illuminate. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off some of these lights and then shine it on here to see if it works. All right, as you can see, looks amazing. You can see all the different animals. Just gonna go ahead and turn it off. And then we're just gonna go ahead and switch this out. All right, we're putting in the Northern Hemisphere. Wow. So it's kind of blurry, so we probably want to like make it less blurry, which I'm assuming is one of these buttons. I don't know if you can see the little green lasers on there. Makes it brighter and brighter. Or you can turn them completely off. All right, once again, we're gonna swap it out for another one. We're gonna try the 3D dinosaur this time. Before we turn the lights back off again, I wanted to look a little bit about these buttons so I know what I'm doing when the lights go off. This is the power button. You have the timer, the infrared, the laser button, the green lights. Okay, so one is a rotation, one's a timer, and one's a laser. Here is the adjustment for the blurry level. All right, let's go ahead and adjust it to make it a little bit sharper. So that's more blurry. And then turning it the other way makes it sharper. Click on the laser lights again. And then let's finally just check out the final one, the Earth and the Moon. We have the Earth and the stars around it, which is super cool.
Yeah, it's so relaxing, right?
Yeah, so that's how you use the La Vue laser. It also does come with a little packet like this. You can purchase like additional discs and it just comes like that. I don't know if you can see Pillars of Creation. I can't read that, it's a little bit too small, but as you can see, it's some kind of like space-like object. Let's see this other one. Image courtesy of NASA. There it is. And then here's another one. So yeah, you can have all sorts of different, you know, discs depending on what it is that you want to see. It can literally transform your room as if you're out of space or something. Super fun for like kids if they can't fall asleep or something like that. Instead of like a night light, you can do like a space light. And of course, this thing comes in different colors as well. Super fun aid to help you with your imagination. If you want to purchase this La Vue projector, go ahead and check out the link below. And for more product unboxings, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.